Mankind's challenge. Spaceship isn't the only thing that sent Armstrong to the moon. Strong legs aren't the only thing that Usain Bolt needed to run. Then, is it possible for a high-speed railroad to run faster just with a train? We consider the technology to make high-speed train run faster and safer. It is what High-Speed Railroad Infrastructure Research Team of Korea Railroad Research Institute cares the most all the time. High-Speed Railroad Infrastructure Research Team. We're getting closer to the world with higher technology. The infrastructure of railroad is a key role for developing railroads industry and increasing train speeds. High-speed railroad is becoming a symbol of green growth and balanced development in the 21st century. As time goes by, the high-speed railroad construction markets are growing continuously, including emerging countries, and the competition for the train speeds are getting harsh between the world powers. Finally, the advent of HEMU 430X developed in Korea. However, Korean high-speed railroad infrastructure was limited to just 350 kilometers per hour, getting highlighted the significance of research and development for high-speed railroad infrastructure. We wavered between two options. Should we settle for this current technologies and speeds? Or should we lead the markets, exceeding train speeds to next generation? We chose the latter. The high-speed railroad infrastructure is an essential matter for the train running, and it is the important part to make train travel comfortable and safe. To have all the infrastructures and secure the stability of them for high-speed trains. High-Speed Railroad Infrastructure Research Team has focused on testbed construction for high-speed railroad infrastructure with its possibilities. Finally, the testbed with the technologies of environment, nose, and railroad structure has realized the environment that high-speed train of 400 kilometers per hour can run fast and comfortable. It brought viable results. Safe and comfortable high-speed railroad infrastructure. More secure, more comfortable, more pleasant high-speed railroad infrastructure. This real test railroad built to connect between Gwangju and Cheongwon makes the high-speed train to be safe and comfortable at any environments. Moreover, it has intellect to control the high-speed train. The design is exquisite without a single mistake. And the technology can overcome the natural and environmental factors which seemed impossible. Also, for the comfortable travel, the noise problem is getting resolved with our technologies. All these infrastructures show well that the important point of future high-speed railroad is not only speed, but also all that make a train move. The technology with our own hands. The most innovative technology is technologies for human beings. We believe that thoughts bring innovation and challenge makes new ways. The high-speed railroad infrastructure research that recreates time and space. Continuous research and development was the key to this innovation. Future value creation. High-Speed Railroad Infrastructure Research Team. High-Speed Railroad Infrastructure Research Team has the highest level of technologies with safety, feasibility, and effectiveness to create own high-speed railroad infrastructure, and even to export our technologies to other countries. We lead the global market with original high-tech and core technology development, and evolve constantly to show new future of railroad infrastructure. All the researchers in the High-Speed Railroad Infrastructure Research Team of Korea Railroad Research Institute are working hard every day to develop core infrastructure material with safety, feasibility, and effectiveness to make the Korean high-speed railroad more competitive and to be the standard of high-speed railroad infrastructure. Warren Buffett, CEO of Berkshire Hathaway. The future will be the era of railroad. For someone, it can be a dream. And for other, it can be a hope. It is the technology to add a new value to the future. Abundant and comfortable world with the technology, the strength to make a better future sooner. It becomes true with High-Speed Railroad Infrastructure Research Team.